My son, he eat biscuit a lot. You mom like na biscuit. Enye ya ya wepo. Enye ya mmiri ya ajo. They say them nde mure na baptism.
Okay.
The father of the baptism is Akunebaju.
Okay.
Yes. He loved biscuit a lot, like the biscuit in Bowo Maje. The mother one Philomena. She chop biscuit, oh, the same thing happened to her. So now what happened na baptism? The same thing.
It's in the blood.
Give him food. I say no. Give him breast. I say no. Oh, yeah, I'm going to cause him one beke. Every yellow. No. No. Only biscuit. But I'm happy he's measuring up. That he take.
That reminds me, Chifimo. You got to name my senior colleague.
Hello, Yako.
Mrs. Chinwe Joy Mugo. She was my senior colleague when we were in fashion school.
Wait a minute. Mrs. Chinwe.
Yes.
Mugo. The CEO of
Gallant and Affordable Enterprises.
Where her birthday the 11th of August.
Of course. It's a small word.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Will you be joking? How can you be joking with a sensitive matter like that?
It's a small word.
How can you tell me you know this woman that I've been admiring her skills all this while from social media? Wait a minute. The woman that her address is at Block A, Suite 24, Mayfair Shopping Complex, Awayaya, Ibejuleki, Lagos.
Ibejuleki.
Wait, so you are joking.
She be my senior colleague when we did fashion school.
Muye nwata kwata.
Now shall I talk about?
Ogem the Peter Nwugo. Onye umu ezida. Umu ezede, sorry. Umu ezede ezemo. Autonomous community Salambano.
Onyawa.
You know her?
I'm buying the fashion school. When it comes to female line, that woman they carry first.
Yes!
Me, when it comes to male line, I mean they carry first.
Oh my God.
She sabi.
Oh.
She sabi. It's a small word.
Are you for real? Damn it! Do you know what? I was even surprised because when I get to your page on Instagram, what I saw was what triggered me. I saw something that motivated me, captivated me, inaugurated me, intoxicated me, and then threw me off balance. You know, this guy must make my clothes because as a celebrity, I need to appear on that birthday as a celeb. A celeb, so that whenever I enter, or when I appeared, or when I zoomed in, they will assume that this person is a god. A small god, not a big god.
You didn't make any wrong choice.
So you know how to.
I was happy. Then I told myself, this man should allow me, let me dress him up.
Oh my God.
Imo Comedy.
My
native need only young one acquire.
You don't say.
Oh God.
Akunebaju of all people.
Ima Pastor Therefor.
The pastor in charge of adoration.
When you know they make crusade, native need to grow you.
Oh my wow.
Let me bust your head now.
You have triggered me.
Let me bust your head. Ime Buka.
BB Niger Africa International.
No means I won't make man. Now me they saw those things. Now me they saw them.
Hey, Kopara, finish me. In fact, if you can solve for all these people, oops.
Allow me dress you.
Oh my God. In fact, I can't wait. Bring out my clothes. Bring out. Till they don't want. My son will be like, what is his father doing?
You know this one? This is Ankara.
Wow.
Direct from Ghana.
Sorry, then we bury a link. How the car? And when they go to call Muru bury them down on the yeah. Anyway, they try at least to
Chief, do you know Ntoreka? Ntoreka, material of the 1960. Ntoreka, material.
Oh, Toreka.
A man upgrade.
Oh, really?
I went directly to a shopping mall, fashion shopping mall. They made the choice.
Wow.
Choose with them. Give.
I can't wait. Your father will.
Chief, legend material. The material. Ntoreka. Upgraded.
This is female color. What a nasty color. No. Please web them my own. I'm very good. Sorry.
I'm gonna check this native. I feel good to test you. Philo, test the material.
Wow.
Test here. Very nice. Ejimaka mahora gear.
Put a nasty color. When my grandfather died, those days, yeah, apa kind of clothes I do wear burial. Very dark color. No, I can't wait. I will look good. Oluwa boy, the way they do shakara say they wear clothes. They go see say Chifimo don't arrive. I know they say they will go for a bar market here, go buy 1 yard. They wear black, many hair yellow and black. Them. Nambiko we put up one. Mune buka, tell you buka na prama kwa.
But let's say this material.
Hey,
you got like here.
Okay, they come.
Deluxe can I buy deluxe?
Okay, lost all already. Okay, they come orange. Like somebody will go for garden of Eden. I make it in the love. Here I get a bed doing your. Don't go remove this nonsense from me. Bring that.
Aku hagula o. Na the clothes be this Chifimo.
Huh?
Aku agileni. I feel no material. I like the color. I'm no mania bale kwa hin honga. I'm no mania bale. Pagide make sure that I make you look good. Eh? Lenia.
Pick up.
Chifimo.
No, me
gram hook on Instagram. Me gram be she choya. Then I had a picture in my head. Unkwara get what here now?
The picture we hand it sister. No, wait, just hold on. Wait a minute. Mom, hold on.
Chief, what did you man aqua?
Hey, Copra.
Chifimo.
Now me you go for Garden of Eden. Gaga pashara ma orange. Vegetable material. Green. Huh?
I don't understand.
So, ima kwa mbina chipta si here. Mbina chipta si here. I was hoping that none the burial on da na e chere were. Man ga anwu na 2 days asike elie ya na ego ano de je buge mochad. Ge kwala mi here.
Ama me hemege gi ma hanya akwa.
Look at.
Ima hanya akwa chief.
Legodu pink. Pink mi amada anya akwa. Mi amada anya akwa. Oya ke na 8,000 naira for.
Akwisi chura akwa, enyem 8,500 or 6 you kwala gi 6 pieces. Oya di ni here now.
Some nigga go 8,000 something take kwara ma kwam yagaje. Mjaga si event. Ge ga no okpuru bridge. Ga be shira ba na anya.
Material jolu na ahia. Ejim 8,500 cha manage here. Umu ngam ti report imegolo nyene ha. It's not easy. Ihe am akwa 8,500 akwa nyem so kwala gi 6 pieces. Eh?
You might hear me. Do you know what? You will never step out of this compound until you get nyashimegum. Nyashim time iburum. Maganya de me nkusa nwana na ala. Nkusa nwana na.
Material mi ka ge mekweni ya.
Nyemegum.
Chifimo, don't embarrass me.
Nyamegum o. Ike nyemegum because I come on ga hapụ gagota. Come on nwana occasional. Ana ebugo. Chief. Do you know where I am going to?
You wrote on Instagram, sim kwalaga kwa. Don't insult me here.
Give what I ndo zosre. Kwala gine post here na page go.
Amuna kwa henda.
Ntagishono mgbugbo na agbawa gị. Onye m gaje birthday ya Joy, the CEO of fashion designer. Onye a na-akwa na akpọsa. O weta local material ya mee ya wuru ready made. She so international and local. Ngwe ho na ada akwa. Gị bịa nga chọ ka mgbọrọ ọtọ ka m onye ara gawa birthday nwatakịrị. Ịmakwa aha die nwata kwọcha. Gị kwala kokosa. Ogo ma abala m yigeze m na-agaje ka udele mmiri mara. Ị ga-akwụ m ụgwọ akwam. In fact, what am I doing with it? Wait. You ran away. Oh, you can running, but you cannot hide from me. If you run away today, I will see you tomorrow. You can only run, but you cannot hide. Kile chati bahakamno. A celebrity. Imiti ogo lemwo. Celebrity. Keep your back. Sutramu kwa eji elios. Look, just ohaneze na egemunti. The dala ni hem mado kwa lam. Some yiri ga bedde ndeja. Ogo ni na owo lower boy bege bedde. Ase ji wodi a compensate am owo tonya de ki here gari. Get through up nepa. Ga cho we mom self na village cannot wear this. He will kwala tin ba hakam no. Me go don't care. Chinedu mam look at. Give back kete. Ata biscuit. He ga hushi anya geta. Inwo shike ke gbago sa hi nwo shike i ga gbakwuru ndu ku ibegi. Ebi leta di mba kam no. Di mba kam no. Lady celebrity gay yaga. Lady him gay lady dala. I wouldn't want she didn't look at the sleeve. You've not seen anything. By the time I am done with you, you will know the reason they call me troublemaker. I must face you spiritually and otherwise. I must get you. Stupid imbecile. In a quack, I got better when those are going to post a hyper na akarizie the mention. Join them because I am sorry I am quarreling on your birthday. Happy birthday, just we go there on because so to go them na. We can remember when they tell Leki. Mfotolo when na road. Just accept my birthday wishes from here. Happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Oh my God, they know. You can make her quite well herself more 8. I think you're gonna dig in it. You know, can I make posh? You won't go, yeah. You won't go and walk and jig around one. Moputana, you here just Hagano. I'm more commando for the high on your those dig guys really high in fact. Can I go by here? The 10th one. We am Kadimosa. What take I got moved over a wine now. And when she came push until over Atala, doctor say blood finish and on your lagade on peace. So happy birthday, my dear sister. What a watch her, you was mad. You know, Tonya tell us she made some. I'm going to tell you, go to no gown of Copalam. You didn't put a hammer at all, a comedy come. Manonia Palam and Palam Feberia. I got me bury a library, him made the salon memory. Oh, happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Num.